everyone, and happy Halloween. I'm Sean Donahue, the publisher of BodyShop Business, and this is Jason Stahl, editor of BodyShop Business. Thank you for having us. And for 34 years, BodyShop Business has honored a collision repair with Executive of the Year award. Since 2014, we've been honoring 2 repairers in 2 different categories, single shop and multi-shop. The winners of this prestigious award are true collision repair visionaries who have experienced great success through innovative thinking, overcoming challenges, and persevering. Our multi-shop winner started working for his father's collision repair shop 25 years ago and has since grown it into 7 locations and 200 employees. By 1996, he grew the initial shop's revenue from between $200,000 and $300,000 to $1 million by changing his father's focus on wholesaling. 8 years ago, he was recognized by the Albany business community for the prestigious 40 Under 40 award. He was one of the first shop operators in the Capital Region to implement lean production process, drastically improving all the shop's KPIs. And in 2010, his company became the first in New York State to be recognized for the Coordinating Committee for Automotive Repair for promoting environmental efficiency and safety. They've also been recognized for their 35th and 40th anniversaries by members of the New York State Senate, State Assembly, Rensselaer County Executive, and Rensselaer County Legislature. Our multi-shop winners company's charitable activities are numerous. His company was recognized by Toys for Tots in 2017 for the support of toy collection drives, an initiative he started. They were also recognized for their support of the Tri-County Valley Cats minor league baseball team. For the last 8 years, they have teamed up with Geico to donate 21 cars to 21 military veterans and families in need around the Capital Region. And in 2017, they partnered with State Farm to donate a van to the Veteran Coalition House in Albany. And in 2011, they teamed up with Geico and Catholic Charities of the Diocese of Albany to retrofit a van for wheelchair transport for a boy with blood-borne infection who wound up losing his limbs. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome to the stage Vartan Jarian Jr., who has recently joined as Director of Operations with Caliber Collision, formerly known as H&V Collision Center, a company that aligns with his long-term goals to grow New York and restore the rhythm of their customers' lives as BodyShop's Business 2018 Multi-Shop Executive of the Year. Congratulations. Okay, moving on to our single shop winner. His collision repair career has spanned an incredible 58 years. His father opened up Selden Body Works in 1948, and he worked with him starting at the age of 14 years old, learning all aspects of the auto body trade. He has worked in many roles, both on the collision and insurance side of the business, including body shop owner and insurance adjuster. He has owned 3 body shops in his lifetime and has owned his current shop since 1995. He's been a member of the Long Island Auto Body Repairmen's Association since 1970. He has I-card recognition, an NYC licensed adjuster's license, and GM technical training certificates. He has served as president of the Line Club International and received numerous awards from the organization. He was voted Man of the Year by the Patchogue Medford Youth and Community Services in 2007, and Man of the Year St. Liberata Feast in 2018. And in 2012, he was inducted into the National Business Honor Society by Patchogue Medford High School. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome to the stage Louis Giordano, president of Giordano's Collision of Medford, New York. as BodyShop Business 2018 Single Shop Executive of the Year.
Thank you very much.
Yep. Thank you all very much.